Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Roblox Jurassic World backpack. Many exclusive items like this one are often available through special events or promotions within the Roblox platform. These opportunities are usually for a limited time, so knowing how to participate is key. We'll explore the typical ways players have earned this cool accessory, helping you prepare for future chances to grab similar items. One primary way to earn the Jurassic World backpack was by completing the Roblox Creator Challenge. This involved entering a specific game experience and answering several quiz questions about creating games in Roblox Studio. Players needed to successfully complete multiple challenges, earning badges along the way. Finishing these quizzes would then reward you with the exclusive backpack, making it a fun and educational way to get the item. Another method for obtaining certain Jurassic World backpacks involved special promotional offers. For example, some variations were available by redeeming digital Robux gift cards purchased from specific online retailers. Players would buy a qualifying gift card, then redeem the unique code on the Roblox website. This process would grant them the exclusive backpack directly into their inventory, adding a unique flair to their avatar. To ensure you don't miss out on future exclusive items, it's important to stay informed. Always check official Roblox news channels and the avatar shop for announcements about new events or promotions. Many special items are available for a short period, so quick participation is often necessary. By staying updated, you can be ready to grab the next exciting accessory for your Roblox avatar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.